In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your previous history or chats on ChatGPT. If you've been using ChatGPT for a while, you know how valuable it can be to maintain a clean and private chat history. Maybe there's a conversation you had that you'd prefer to keep hidden from your immediate conversation list. Luckily, ChatGPT provides you with a simple way to archive your chats without deleting them. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to fire up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. This is where we'll start our journey. In the Google search bar, type ChatGPT. This will bring up the search results for everything related to ChatGPT. Once you've got your list of results, click on the official ChatGPT website. It should appear at or near the top of the search results. Clicking on this link will bring you directly to ChatGPT's homepage, where you can log in if needed and begin interacting with the platform. After you're on ChatGPT's website, navigate to your chats. This usually involves logging into your account and going to the section where all your previous conversations are stored. Here, you'll see a list of all the interactions you've had on ChatGPT. The next step is to select the specific chat that you wish to hide. Look through your list and pick out the conversation that you think should be hidden from view. Once you've chosen the chat, click on it to reveal more options. Now, you should see an option to archive the chat. This feature allows you to hide the chat without actually deleting it. It's a handy tool if you want to keep your chat history tidy while still retaining access to those conversations for future reference. Clicking on Archive will immediately move the chat out of your main conversation view, effectively hiding it from sight. Remember, this doesn't delete the chat, it only tucks it away safely, where it can be accessed again later if needed. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to hide your previous history or chats on ChatGPT, maintaining both your privacy and the cleanliness of your chat list. This is ideal for anyone looking to keep their chat space organized without losing any important past interactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you today. Until next time, take care and happy chatting.